Want to tell the people what we're doing today?
We're supposed to be going in a hot air balloon.
Oh no, it's not looking too promising right now. We are standing in line waiting for the gates to open, and we are up underneath an umbrella right now. So
Right.
guess I'll let y'all know what it looks like when we get inside. Oh, they're moving.
Yeah.
I don't know. This space don't seem big enough for no hot air balloons.
It's gonna be today. We flying.
You say you flying?
Yeah.
Whew. So y'all, I'm gonna preface this by saying this was Darius's idea. Okay, I seen this as a ad on social media, and he was like, "Let's do it." So this is supposed to be a hot air balloon event. There's also supposed to be at night a laser show and a drone show.
Yeah.
So I guess we're just gonna get situated.
See what's going on.
The weather's not too good right now, but they have a website you can check, and they said that the balloon should be ready by 7:30. Whew. Oh yeah, y'all, this is the same location where we went to Big Bounce America. Why does it look so much smaller this time?
I don't know.
What you gonna get to eat?
I don't know. I'm gonna look around, make a educated decision. What you want?
I don't know. So part of me wants a funnel cake, and then the other part of me wants like some ice cream. So I don't know.
Okay.
Chicken tenders, buffalo tenders,
Uh-oh.
catfish bites,
Catfish nuggets.
deep fried Oreos, steak platter served with grilled vegetables over gourmet rice,
Uh-oh.
chicken platter.
Uh-oh.
They got that ghee rose. I don't know. I may have to do that steak and cheese.
Yeah, you ain't lying.
No, what he got? Oh man, he just covered it up. What that is? Oh, but look at that gyro meat with the onion.
Better get rice.
Oh. Now I walked by somebody with a funnel cake and I don't know. Oh, she got something in a pineapple. Oh, it's going down.
Cheese fries. Hey.
Hello. What you gonna do?
I don't know. The chicken over rice sounds straight. The chicken tenders sounds straight. Cheese fries sounds straight. Nachos sound straight. Mozzarella sticks.
I know that that red velvet whatchamacallit sound good.
Yeah. Hush puppies. Onion ring.
I think I'm gonna go back to the other one and get a Philly cheesesteak.
All right, let's go.
What's that you got? Fish?
Catfish nuggets.
I got the steak and cheese.
Southern delicacy.
And I got the fries, but some of my fries already missing.
Oh, I got fries too. Mine different color. Melanated.
Wow. Oh, that do look good.
Thanks.
All right, y'all. So we got lemonade from that you see that right there? We got lemonade from right there. This lemonade good. Theirs ain't tasty yet though.
Okay. Oh, let me see. Oh, let me see.
He's still going. He was gonna hand it back, but he didn't.
That's buzzing.
So what are they doing over here? This little area in the middle is roped off.
No lines. Register here with QR code.
So what I'm guessing is this giant propane truck right here
Uh-oh.
is going to be used to blow up the balloons. That's crazy. Okay, y'all, so Darius is filling out a waiver. I'm aware that hot air ballooning carries a risk of personal injury, property damage, and or death.
Oh, you filling out a waiver.
I expressly
Put
involved...
your name on it.
Not he put my name... So he didn't fill me out a waiver, too. I'm not going to put my government name on TV, but... All right, let me move out of the way. In exchange for being permitted... In exchange for being permitted by hot air balloon management and I release and discharge everybody if I fall out this balloon.
Wow.
I will not sue or file a claim if I get jacked up on this balloon. I release liability. I'm 18 or older. Oh my goodness. What did you just do?
We'll find out.
Y'all, so while we were filling out the waiver, this random hot air balloon basket just popped up.
Oh, snap. All look good.
Oh, ain't no way, bruh. Ain't no way.
What do you mean?
Ain't no way. This thing is tiny.
You got it.
We're supposed to fly in.
Up and away.
This is literally basket weaved.
Oh, I ain't thinking about that. Well, then when you come back down, I'll ask you how it goes.
When I come back down.
Yeah.
Oh, no. When we come back down, we're going to talk about.
We talked about this last time.
We're going to talk about
and only
how
you,
it went.
Only you and the pilot can fit in that.
He said,
when you come down.
So the guy was making an announcement earlier. He said that the pilot plus 1,000 pounds can fit.
All right, well, look at the side. Look at the size, though.
I want to be holding on to. Oh,
I'm straight.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah,
all
when
right.
you come back, I got you.
We might just have to ask other people how it went, because I
tell
don't.
us all about it when you come back.
I don't know about that.
No, you be straight. That's what I'm talking about.
Whew. Okay, you gotta feel it. You gotta feel it. You see? It feel crazy, don't it? How's it feel?
No. It need to be bigger, like on TV, right?
I think that's how it looks for
on
real.
On TV, they be bigger, don't they?
No.
What would you do with this?
That's why we had to sign the paper.
Oh, you know. That's crazy. I should brought a helmet.
And a pair of shoes.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
You see?
That's gonna be bigger than that.
Y'all, I got cheese on my skirt.
You having too much fun.
My thing is, how does cheese get all the way down there?
I don't know.
In other news,
Too turned up.
these folks over here setting up. They setting up something. Is that supposed to be the balloon?
I don't know. I think it's a landing. I hope it's a landing.
What is it? So that they can just bag us up after we fall?
Right. Make it quick. Who's next? You got all day.
He looked like he fly hot air balloons.
Yeah, he do die.
And it looks like these guys are putting air in their balloons. If y'all have the opportunity to let them gather it.
This looks very chaotic. Every time it leans over, it looks like it's not leaning over on camera.
It's crazy, ain't it?
Yeah, it looks like it's straight up. This thing is. Okay, yeah, you can see it. It looks more diagonal in real life, though.
Well, we've got another one
I don't think it's happening.
I think they're trying to play it so you guys can at least see it. But they may not feel that it's
Merc.
Well, it looks like he might have figured it was too windy, so he put it down. I don't know if he's gonna pack it up or they're still. I mean, they're still up. We're just they're just testing out the wind right now. Is all they're doing.
You look better.
Yeah. Yeah, because that purple one was looking rough for a long time. Nah. The whole time he was up, he was struggling.
He was where maybe because of where it's at. They were a little strange.
Yeah, now you acting like that purple one didn't just crush that one a couple minutes ago. I still don't trust it. Wow. I literally just got them bumping into each other. Bumper balloons. Oh. Oh. I don't think it's happening.
Yeah, me neither.
The best chance is between 7:30 and 8:30 according to the Weather Channel. Is when the lowest winds were.
Well, y'all, much to my dismay, we did not get to ride on a hot air balloon. I'm sure y'all saw.
We played it.
Yeah, the wind was not trying to die down for nothing. So now they're about to do the laser show. Y'all watch the drone show from the parking lots. You know what? I'm gonna say that this drone show is what saved this event. I'm serious. Now, the hot air balloons. Oh, whoa! They coming to get you. Oh, they dropped the cow. Oh, they picked up the human. That's a human. Oh. What was I saying? Oh yeah, we couldn't do anything about the hot air balloons. But with that being the highlight, it really left you with nothing else to do all day. What is it? Is that an alien?
I think so.
That's an alien coming to visit?
I think so.
How would you rate the balloon glow laser show event?
6.
Okay, why would you say that?
We didn't find nothing. The food was straight though.
Yeah, so the food was good. The vendors.
We didn't find nothing.
The
Anytime I
vendors
zero
were good.
in, they should just say that.
Yeah.
We would have been left.
So basically, the wind, as you can see, it was blowing the balloons all over the place. It needed to be below, what, 7 miles per hour?
Yeah, but zero.
Well, the good thing is we got the fast pass, so I should be getting the email for a redo, and we should be able to attend next year's event at this location. So I don't know.
It's all good.
Alrighty, y'all. If y'all like this video, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future adventures.
Yeah.
See you next time. Hold down.
You gotta spin it so you can see. What is that?
It's the turtle.
Oh, I see.
It's got caramel and whipped cream and pecans.
Oh, that's nice.
Uh-huh. I'm glad I picked this over the funnel cake.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.